Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts, try again later on ChatGPT app. Should just go settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window of ChatGPT app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.